everyone, how's it going? In this video, we're gonna unbox this brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max 512GB Sierra Blue. Firstly, looking at the box, Apple has changed the packaging. As you can see, now we have this pull tabs right over here on the top as well as right here on the bottom. By the way, this is an eco-friendly box. Notice there is no plastic wrapper on the box. Basically, it's Apple's initiative to be plastic free by the year 2025. Let me tell you, this is expensive. I mean, damn expensive. Here in India, it's 1,59,999 for the 512GB model, which is equivalent to 2,142 US dollar. In the US, the same phone costs $1,399, which is nothing but 1,05,000 rupees. As a matter of fact, you literally save 55,000 rupees if you're buying this phone in the US. Even UAE for that matter, you'll save around 40,000 rupees. Anyway, I ended up buying this phone in India. I didn't have any option. Alright, so let's begin with the unboxing. Wow, splendid. Look at that. Okay, so let's put this on the side here. Inside the box, we have Lightning to USB-C charging cable designed by Apple in California. Inside here, we have the SIM eject tool, some instruction, and we also have the Apple sticker. Thankfully, they are still including this Apple sticker, and there is no charger, of course. Okay, let's put this box away and let's check out the phone. It's time to peel this off. Okay, I'm gonna hold the power button here to turn on this device. The Apple logo shows up. Meanwhile, let's look at the sides. Here's the stainless steel of the Sierra Blue. It actually looks really nice. We have the mute switch here, volume buttons, the SIM tray, and on the right we have this power button, two antennas over here. In the back we still have Apple logo right at the center. The finish is great on the back and glossy finish by the camera. That's pretty neat. Also, we have this massive camera system, ultra wide, wide, as well as the telephoto right there, true tone flash and the LiDAR sensor. I'm really amazed with this new color. Looks fantastic. On the bottom, we have the lightning port as well as the speaker. And the earpiece is moved to the top in order to reduce the notch by 20%. There is this ceramic shield display, which Apple claims tougher than any smartphone glass. However, I will put a tempered glass on top of it. Alright, so let's complete the setup process for the first time. I need to transfer data from my old iPhone 11 to this phone. So let's begin with it. So transfer between old iPhone to new one is relatively easy. So you can see here, my old iPhone 11 recognized this new phone and it's asking me to continue. Okay, so I need to scan this. Continue with the Face ID.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like.
I'm gonna do this later. Looks like software upgrade is completed. Now it's preparing to transfer. Okay, the transfer has begun and the time is getting fluctuated because I have around 200 GB of data on this iPhone 11, which needs to be transferred to this phone. Apparently, it's going to take a lot of time. Finally, on the 13 Pro Max, it says restore completed. Let me continue. Perfect. Alright, so we finally just set up the phone. As you can see, all the data, app, and everything is transferred to this new iPhone. The transfer process was fairly simple. Holding this phone, I can feel it's a premium phone. It's quite heavy. It's around 240 grams and it's literally huge. Impossible to use this phone in one hand. However, it's fine with me. I can somehow manage because I'm a tall person and my hands are pretty long, so it's fine. I do want to talk about the 120 hertz ProMotion display. The scrolling is really smooth. Trust me, after using iPhone 11, I can literally feel the difference. I will definitely make a separate video comparing the 60 hertz and 120 hertz so we can find out the difference. And this 120 hertz is very important to me because I do play a lot of games. You can see I have so many games installed on my iPhone and I was really waiting for this feature on the iPhone, and I'm happy that Apple finally implemented the 120 hertz on this 13 Pro models. Ideally, the gameplay will be very smooth, scrolling will be more smoother, and it's efficient. Moreover, this is a dynamic refresh rate. It automatically adjusts the refresh rate all the way from 120 hertz to 10 hertz depending on what you're doing. Alright, so let's check out the camera quality on this 13 Pro Max. Okay, as soon as I open the camera, we have an option where it says photographic styles. Personalize the look of your photos by bringing your preference. Let me check what all available options. Standard, rich contrast, vibrant, warm. Cool. So we have all these options. I'm gonna select standard as of now. Alright, so let's try the macro photography on this camera. So basically you don't have to enable any specific setting. All you have to do is take the camera close to the object and capture the photo. We can literally see the fine veins on the leaves. It's amazing. Okay, I'm gonna capture one more picture and let's check out the macro photography. Wow, look at that. This is amazing. You can literally see the fine threads embedded in the sheet. Time to test the cinematic mode feature on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Here we go. The telephone box is on the focus and you can see the Leaning Tower of Pisa is blurred. So if I move my phone a little bit, you can see the Leaning Tower of Pisa is on focus and the telephone box is blurred. Let me again move back. Now you can see the telephone box is on focus and vice versa. Okay, it's time to test the night mode on this camera. Basically, all the features I was expecting in an iPhone is present in this 13 Pro Max. The beautiful huge display with ceramic shield coating, 5G support, mind-blowing camera system, extraordinary battery life, and most importantly, the ProMotion adaptive 120 Hz display. So this was the one I was really expecting and I was waiting for this particular feature, and finally it's in this model. Overall, the new iPhone 13 Pro Max brings a handful of new features and changes. Alright, so I'm interested to hear your thoughts. What do you guys think? Is the new iPhone something you're considering right now? Let me know in the comment section below. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Once again, thanks for watching. Cheers.